In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect OTG to Realme Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. An OTG connection can be established on your Realme Mobile device. All that you have to do to connect an OTG drive to your phone is to use the proper adapter. So usually this is going to be USB-C to USB. Alternatively, if your phone has a micro USB port, purchase a micro USB to USB adapter. So look at the charging port and determine which adapter you need. Most modern phones will have USB-C to USB. Now, once you purchase the compatible adapter, all that you have to do is connect it. So plug the USB-C or micro USB end of the adapter into your Realme's phone charging port, and then the USB end of the adapter into your OTG drive. If needed, you will have to enable OTG connection. So some Realme phones require you to enable OTG connection in the settings. Just go over to the settings, make sure that under the system settings this is enabled, and once the OTG function is enabled, you will be able to access all of the files available on that OTG drive. So now you can go over to some file browser available on a Realme phone, so the File Manager app, and inside you will be able to choose storage devices or USB storage. By selecting the OTG drive that you are using from the list, you will be able to access and manage all of its files. So in there, you will be able to view them, drag and drop them over onto your phone's storage. You can copy them, delete them, and so on. Everything will be available for you to manage, and all that you have to do is purchase the adapter. You can connect something like a USB flash drive, an external storage drive, or something like an SD card reader. You just need to make sure that the adapter was properly connected into your phone, and as long as you plug the external storage drive into the other end of the adapter, it is going to be accessible through your Realme device on the File Manager or File Browser app. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect OTG to Realme Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.